Here's a recipe for ribeye steak with garlic butter. For the ribeye steak, you'll need 2 boneless ribeye steaks, salt, freshly ground black pepper, and olive oil. For the garlic herb butter, you'll need unsalted butter, minced garlic, fresh parsley, fresh thyme leaves, salt, and freshly ground black pepper. To prepare the garlic herb butter, combine the softened butter, minced garlic, chopped parsley, and chopped thyme in a small bowl. Season with salt and pepper, and mix well until fully incorporated. Shape the butter into a log or wrap it in plastic wrap and refrigerate until firm. To prepare the ribeye steaks, let them sit at room temperature for about 30 minutes. Preheat your grill pan, or skillet over high heat. Brush both sides of the steaks with olive oil and season generously with salt and pepper. Cook the steaks on the hot grill or skillet for about 3-4 minutes per side for medium rare. Use tongs to flip the steaks only once and avoid pressing down on them with a spatula. You can use a meat thermometer to check the internal temperature, which should be around 130 to 135 degrees Fahrenheit for medium rare. After cooking, remove the steaks from the heat and let them rest for 5-10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute and keeps the steaks juicy. Slice the garlic herb butter into thin rounds and place them on top of each steak. Serve the ribeye steaks hot and enjoy. Adjust the cooking time to achieve your preferred level of doneness.